Whiz bang wow, Singapore hot and spicy chicken. Welcome back to the channel.
That is it, yes. The races are really seeming to get quite tight, or the points even. Ferg is in first with 211. Callum is in second with 207. Ross is in third with 178. I am in fourth with 146.
Oh, Jesus
It's
Christ!
raining. It's raining.
Oh no,
Oh, in the
no.
front as
Martin
well.
Giles has got 143 and Juan is in last with 92.
I just want to finish this race. That's all I want. Please, nobody hit me.
Oh no, it's fucking heavy rain as well. It's blue wall
Jesus
tires.
Christ. Oh, we're never making it round. Well, it's nice knowing you boys. Be
Yeah.
gentle. Be gentle on the penalties.
I'm in third. I'm in third. Someone's gonna rear-end me. I can feel it.
You lucky boy.
Not a bad way to spend a Wednesday night.
Thursday morning.
Oh, Ross, please.
Oh my God!
Jesus Christ.
Holy shit! What the fuck is going on? Two illegal overtakes. Overtake me! Overtake me! Overtake me!
I'm trying to!
Plans away in the lead.
Woohoo!
What? Why Flash? It said two illegal overtakes. Everyone overtook me, and then it was like, yeah, you're good. What the fuck?
Just stop cheating.
Do you know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna keep it. I'm just gonna keep it on the track.
Yeah, that's...
Fucking boring. Send it!
Welcome to my
Send
club.
A few moments later. Oh, I'm in a wall.
Welcome to hell.
Oh my God, Juan's got like a 3-second lead and I don't see myself eating this.
Yeah, he bumped me off.
You
Don't
can't
touch
catch
it.
one around here.
Ah! Oh no, it's this corner. Oh shit. 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 Oh shit.
Everyone remember
Juan's
to
dead.
brake. Everyone remember to brake.
Yeah, oh my God, I hate that corner so much.
Oh.
I don't think we have to worry about
One.
catching one.
Are there any corners that you like in this track, Juan?
Yeah, the one into the pits.
Oh,
Actually, no,
Cairns.
It's even the pits in this one.
Indeed, indeed, Ross.
Oh,
You cut off Giles, in which case you cut off me.
I couldn't go. I was like, I just need to get back on track.
They're changing the last sector here this year, so it's not this shitty like
Yeah.
big
Yeah,
boxy shitty.
the slalom. Oh, fastest lap, well done, Juan.
thanks.
It's hard to do when you're on pole, but...
Oh my God!
I love the
Turning a
noise this one.
bus. It's like, honestly, turning a bus in this weather.
Oh my...
Have you ever driven a bus?
You've never... He doesn't drive.
No.
Not
Yeah, that
Yeah.
was That was my point.
Driving lessons are on the way, boys.
Oh, yay!
You know what you learn in the bus.
Oh my God. Drivers of Glasgow, beware.
Cairns!
It's Martin
What's going on
Giles.
there? Oh
thought it
God.
was
What the fuck?
Yeah, no. No, I'm out because of Giles.
No!
That's not what he said.
I think I've driven over some like
Debris.
debris. My front right tyre is completely off, but I'm still driving.
Ooh.
Oh no, I've got a full lap to do of Singapore in the wet with 3 tyres. Oh, for fuck's sake! I mean, how fast can I go with no tyre?
Man, laugh him. Laugh him.
Fucking Giles.
Can't believe I'm dropping back behind one.
It's so hard to catch up in this weather.
Oh, it's. Ooh. Do you ever brake and then just like it doesn't stop?
Yeah, aquaplaning, right?
Oh, why was I so close to the
Oh,
wall?
Ross, I'm watching your tire.
Yeah, this is not fun. Brake. Ha ha. Turn.
Oh, God.
I'm losing pressure in my front right tyre. No shit, Jeff.
I can see the rim, no fucking shit!
Ross, I actually argue
Oh,
that you're not
fair,
using
no one
any
likes it.
pressure.
No one likes a sweat, Ferg. Just because it's raining
Yeah,
doesn't mean you
Jesus.
can't tell you're sweating.
I'm sweating.
But you got
quite a lot.
Ah!
Bet you got to set up as well.
Not in the summer, we're all sweating, let's be realistic.
I'm in
Oh,
full
really?
acceleration in first gear.
I am sweating right now, to be fair, and I'm not even driving anymore.
Quite warm. Oh, catching Juan. Which feels
Go
like
away.
this.
Go away!
More stretchy.
Do you know what might be really interesting here? What might be really interesting here is that I might be coming out of the pits to
At the
be
same
lapped
time.
by you guys.
Nah, they're still miles away.
Juan, if you slow down, I hope you beat through.
Go away, Ferg!
No.
Shoot! Go, shoot!
Play with
Shoot!
me.
Ferg chasing
do that
quickly
again.
around the flat like.
Play with me!
Some respect, that's my sister.
Oh no! I got a warning for a collision with you there.
You'll stay away from me then!
Happened to me.
You didn't collision with him hard enough.
Ian, here's a big question.
Uh-huh.
You need some assistance up front?
Oh, don't you, Ross, don't you dare. That'll be 25 points.
Do it, Ross, do it! Get down to my level. Ooh!
What was that noise?
That was
Oh my
fair.
God.
That was fair going.
Oh my
It
god!
was right in my inner ear, what the fuck?
I felt like went down my spine.
Yeah.
You've given me minor wing damage, Juan.
I think, Ferg, that's when you clip the wall.
No, it's on
No,
the
you
left-hand
made it.
side. It was,
You
it
know,
was
Juan damage.
Juan's tyre side. God
Is this allegations? Allegations?
damn. It's not penalty,
Yeah.
but I'm annoyed.
Why don't you just fight back?
Because I
Well,
can't
if I can
catch
get
him,
blend
'cause I
here,
only have
go
half
away
wing.
and stay away from me.
Go on, get the
Oh, there's a big rain droplet going around my fucking screen. I can't see a thing.
Then you got quite a few then.
Is it raining where you are?
This bit of the track's been dry.
Yeah, I might box for slicks.
Oh! Close one, Ross.
Are you genuinely just watching me drive around the track on my own when
No,
those
I'm
three are
sorry.
racing like close to close?
I'm switching between everyone.
Alright. It's like, bro, this is boring as shit. Watch the fucking race.
Corner
Oh!
cut! Corner cut, Callum!
Absolutely not.
Oh, he's only gonna nail that one.
Actually
Chef
did
kiss.
as well. You actually did.
Come on, Juan, I believe in you.
Oh no.
Thanks, man.
That's your... I believe in you, Juan.
That's received.
Oh, Callum, close one.
Yeah, I did more.
Yeah, come on, come on, Juan, you got it. You got it.
Oh, fucking, I hate being behind you.
Sounds like you're a shit driver, Ferg.
Let him behind you then. Oh no, don't do that because it's championship points. Let me in front of him. So you don't have to worry about it.
Okay, this is your final lap of the race.
Fucking nailed that one. Boop, boop. You nailed that one.
Oh,
Thanks, James.
That was fine.
oh my
that was
god.
fine. That's some great driving, Juan.
James, are you my crew chief this race?
Yeah,
You TP standards for me.
sure thing. I'll go get it just now.
Cheers, thanks, mate.
Drives over to Scotstoun.
Oh, I need to scratch my eye. Oh.
Yeah, do it. Do it.
I'll come and scratch it for you.
I'll just ask the tiny guy that's in the cameraman for this to do it for me.
The one who's on top of your car.
Yeah.
It's on the
So it
wing.
reached down.
Oh, Juan, you've
No, the
actually
one-
nailed this lap, by the way.
Shut up! Do not comment to my driver.
Shut up! Shut the fuck up!
Ferg, you're absolutely nailing it as well, to be fair.
Yeah, Ferg, you're
Not bad
nailing
with a
it.
slightly damaged wing.
So have I.
Have you?
Doesn't make you special.
I mean, it
Damn it,
explains why we're...
friends!
Oh, I forgot to brake. I forgot to brake. Oh.
Next time you forget to brake, you run into the back of him completely.
Please
Everyone
don't
out.
do that to me.
Nah, man, I wouldn't do that to you.
Good.
Not on purpose.
You do it to me.
Because I'm not gonna lie to you, Ferg, I'm one crash away from a suicide now.
Nah.
Whoa.
Don't
Oh my
you
God!
that one.
Yeah, honestly, man, I thought you were about to crash there. Intentionally sends it into wall.
Oh no, I'm about to crash!
Go on, Juan. Go
He's
on.
gonna do it. He's gonna do it. He's gonna win a race.
No, look! I nearly crashed.
No way he's won a race. Shut up.
Fucking
My
hell.
guy Juan.
The rain didn't a lot of work
What's
for you,
Singapore in the wet? Oh god, that was terrifying.
Jesus.
Never do that again.
Well, now we get to watch Ross. Cairns, what camera have you got on Ross?
I'll go broadcast.
Okay, I'll go offset side pod. This is a
Ferg, you got second place?
Yeah, I got second. Fastest lap, I think.
Not yet.
Nope.
Not yet. Oh, well.
Callum, sorry, Ross
No,
had it.
I have still got fastest lap.
Have you
Nope.
got fastest lap?
Yeah,
You
I got
did.
it last lap,
Damned it.
which is why I'm just keeping it on the road because that 1 point is
Honestly,
worth it.
honestly, watching your car, you could have fooled me.
Yeah, no, you look very
Jumping-
slow.
It's jumping from
Oh no,
side to side
I
here.
this is not fastest lap.
Well-
This was just bring it home without crashing.
He had it. He had faster slap by over half a second. To be fair.
Yeah, fair.
Points are as follows. Ferg is still in first with 229. Callum is in second with 222. Ross is in third with 191. I am in fourth with 146. Martin Giles is in fifth with 143. And Juan is in last with 117.
Oh, you're catching though, Juan. You broke into the
Yeah.
100.
Yeah,
Still won a race though.